What are the principles of technical writing? The first one is concise writing. Clarity plays an important role while writing a document. Before writing a technical document, the writer should know who are his target audience, what are they making out of this document, is it easy and clear to understand, how to make it concise and clear. First one, avoid wordiness. Not everyone are good at words. So, using a common words so that the end users can understand is a better thing to keep in mind. Avoid long sentences and redundant wordage. It might feel difficult to understand long sentences. So, go for short sentences and avoid redundant words in the sentence, which makes it clear and concise. Next is good grammar usage. Technical documentations are expected to be written in a standard English. So if you do any mistakes or any grammatical mistakes while writing a document, then it could probably misinterpret the information. Punctuations are prone to be more underappreciated aspects of writing. But when it comes to the matter of interpreting information, punctuations plays an important role. Let's see an example. The first one is, woman without her, man is nothing. The second one is, woman without her, man is nothing. You can see the magic of punctuations here. The first sentence says different and the second sentence says different. So it's giving totally different information, though the grammar is correct. Next is active voice. So what is active voice? If the subject of the sentence performs the task, then it is active voice. If the subject receives an action, then it is a passive voice. Here is an example. The abcd.xml file is to be deleted. I will write the same sentence in this form. Delete the abcd.xml file. Which one is more direct? The second one. And it is in active voice, which is clear and direct. So it's always needed to use active voice in the technical documents. And use gender neutral language. Do not use he, she, his or hers while writing a technical document. It's a big no-no. Use plurals or second person imperatives like users, readers, etc. Say for example, the SME must check his logs every hour. We are using his and it's a big no-no. Instead, you can write the sentence as check the logs every hour, which seems very direct, very easy to understand. Next is use positive statements. It's always recommended to use positive statements while writing the technical document. 50% of the user find it hard to understand negative statements. And there are some cases where you omit the necessary part of the statement. For example, do not close the application until the transaction completes. In a hurry, a user tends to read, do close the application until the transaction completes. So, this might create a blunder. You can use instead, keep the application open until the transaction completes. Keep in mind, before publishing a document, do a spell check and grammar check. Hope you like the content. Please show your support by subscribing to our channel and please hit bell icon to get notifications.